Rutherford Garage here, guys.
How's it going?
We're here to detail because we got pictures tonight. So we got to get this stuff out of the bed. We got to get the dirt off the trucks. And then we're gonna have to drive like good boys.
Yeah. Why's that?
Well, because we don't want our trucks filthy. I mean, it sucks we didn't get all the chrome off of the bumper.
That's okay.
This is Phoenix's truck here and how it's looking.
Oh, I should pop the hood.
Yeah, we should clean your engine bay a bit too. So yeah, this is Phoenix's truck. We're gonna get it all detailed and cleaned.
Smells like apples in my cab. I don't know why. Some random dude sprayed some apples for grease.
Yeah, I did. This is the engine bay.
Too bad, but
This is better than it was, but we're gonna get it cleaned up too.
yeah, you can see there.
It's not gonna be in the pictures, but it's really not nice working on the engine when your hands are getting dirtier than greasier.
And the underneath.
Yeah,
Getting
so
some dirt in your eyeballs.
that's Phoenix's truck's walk around. And then Veronica's walk around.
It's not too bad if you look at it. There's some dirt.
Rims are a little dirty. A little bit of spray. I mean, I'm gonna get the spray as soon as I drive because
When this happened.
the tires poke. That's been there since the day I bought the truck.
Oh, I've never noticed.
It's just gotten worse over time. Then there's the bed of my truck. This has had a mattress in it, so it hasn't been taken care of. And as you can see, that is all gear oil covering that white thing.
Whole pumpkin filled.
Yeah, so we're gonna get that out. And then get all this garbage out. A blue hitch for the blue balls. Yeah, I get some poke, so I'm gonna have that spray as soon as I leave. Even on the front, they poke a bit. My interior is not too bad because it just got detailed, but it's gonna have to get a vacuum and get the mats put into it.
Yeah.
But we'll vacuum it at home. So Veronica's not too bad. I mean, it sucks that we're washing it and it's raining, but we already have pictures scheduled and fireworks tonight and stuff. Which, that'll be live. Yeah. William is not too bad either. We just got to get him cleaned up. So we're going to start that. And this is tire and engine cleaner. We're also gonna put it on the body and like on the bottom of the body because we got greasy handprints all over the body. So we're just gonna get these rims a little bit cleaned up. Nothing, no. Soap it. And go quick with the soap. One thing I do think they should do is have it so you can pause the time on this. So yes, you can stop it, but that doesn't stop the time. So if I go stop, I still lose time. It's kind of rude.
Don't make the mistake I did and leave your doors open.
Yeah, he had his windows open. Oh no, it not come off.
I don't know why. And did they do?
Yeah. So we're gonna have to put some elbow grease into that. So that'll be fun. It's gonna be more expensive to wash this thing than I thought. Well, now that you're doing high pressure, we'll start it. Oh, he's got his keys on him.
Huh?
Keys. Now that you're doing high pressure. Okay, now run down the other side quick. Believe it or not, he's never washed a vehicle in one of these. Yummy, yummy. You can literally see the water separating off the gear oil.
Let's do some scrubbing.
As you can see, a lot of crap on his rim. Doesn't want to come off easy. They've been sprayed already. So now we're gonna scrub them. There's like grease on there.
That's the rim that I had on my driver's side when the whole assembly went to shit.
Yeah. Out burning?
Yeah. That's been like that ever since.
Some of these are pretty stubborn spots, but we'll get them. Yeah, we know they're not show trucks. We know they're not that kind of a thing, but
Just the pride.
yeah. Have pride in your vehicles, and you can take care of them. You'll prevent some rusting.
Yeah.
In here, I didn't want to come out, so I'll just put a little bit more effort into it. Boom.
Got it.
Same with this stuff, it's not wanting to come out. Boom. Looking good. I don't think your rims have ever been this clean.
Nope.
And guys, Phoenix is going through some stuff right now, so if you give him a couple of legs for being out here, keep it on going, that'd be appreciated. Alright, that one is done.
Nice and shiny.
Again, I don't have the tool to get inside here. I mean, I can try it a little bit more, but
Some of that stuff is just caked on there.
just get my thumb right in there. Oh yeah. That's better.
Better, yeah.
Alright, I'll let you do the next one for them.
Alright. Just this side?
Yep, just that side.
Alright.
So far, it's been $13 to wash the truck. Haven't even touched Veronica yet. I already started on this one a little bit in the time lapse, but that was just filler. I didn't try to get it clean. I just wanted to get some filler video. So you can see how that rim looks in comparison to that one. Nice and shiny. Oh, so pretty. Phoenix's arms are going to be pretty darn tired because this will come out.
It will?
It's just going to take a lot of effort. Have you tried to get it out yet?
No. I thought it was just rust.
Kind of is like a rust.
I let it sit for so long with mud all over it.
Nope. If you're gonna play, you've got to pay, and part of playing in mud is you got to pay to clean. And then if you don't pay to clean after playing in mud and it gets dry, crusted on there, and then you can't get it off easy, then you get it in your eyes when you're working on it. How many times do we work on your vehicle and you complain about dirt and rust in your eyes? The rust is the worst I think we've had for rust was that Explorer.
Yeah.
95 Explorer that we did control arms on.
Yeah.
That would have been a video for you guys, but I didn't have a phone that was capable of recording anything at the time. So now I've got the phone, we're trying to do videos. Our editor, he went and picked up a new camera today. So he's going to be doing some of the filming for us on that, as well as his phone. And we're gonna get some rollers with his camera probably. Man, you can tell I'm not sleeping. Look at those bags. Yeah, he's gonna take some rollers and he's gonna take some photos tonight of the trucks. Scrubby, scrubby. A scrub a dub dub, my truck's in the tub. Oh, you did dent your door. I can see it in the camera.
Oh yeah.
From that Bush Adventure.
All right.
Done that rim? Okay, start scrubbing that body.
Eventually, we're gonna take these off and get all this. Look at that. True colors of this truck. She ain't perfect.
I would only really scrub that rusty section with that.
Huh?
And people don't use Sharpies on vehicles.
No.
It's quite rude.
That's the first I've seen that there.
We even have Sharpie on the inside. You can kind of see it right there. I'm not gonna let it focus on it because that's somebody's name, but don't use Sharpies on vehicles.
No.
Okay, here's the time lapse. Okay guys, William's basically done. Getting the final rinse off right now. You want to spray the tailgate first?
Yeah. I guess so.
Not me, but the tailgate.
My bad.
So just a little spot checking is all he's doing. It's funny to me though. We've heard about catfishing. So this is what she posts. This is what shows up on the date. That's cool. Tailgate opens the gas cap. I got that on camera.
Cool.
Yeah, she looks a lot better though. Most of that rust is gone off the doors.
Heck, man, there's 5 seconds left. Jigs. I swear, there's at least 10 seconds left to get this back.
Okay, you got 1 minute.
Need pressure.
2.5 minutes. Rinse this whole side. Rinse this whole side again. Because I scrub more after. Now he's on wax. Not that it really is gonna help, but
Wax?
yeah, it's on wax. It's a nice Cummins. Alright guys, so that was the washing of William. Phoenix's 2005 GMC Sierra 1500. Catfish truck. Looks
Hey.
better on camera than it does in person.
Which ones? Well, what does it look like when it's catfishing?
Kind of like this one. I already told them. This is what she posts. This is what shows up.
Lying to you.
It's the Catfish Queen, this truck.
Nope.
Yeah. Alright guys. Thanks for watching this one.
Watching.
That'll be next.